Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting thin sticky note tabs so pages stay flat and tabs don't tear. Choose a simple color code, topic, priority, or chapter, so you can scan quickly. Once decided, align the tab edge with the page margin at a slight angle. Press the adhesive for 1 second to anchor it without wrinkling. Make sure to leave half the tab protruding so labels stay visible. Doing this now saves time later when you flip to the marked section. You now label tabs clearly and quickly. Use a fine tip pen and keep labels short so they remain readable. Once labeled, position tabs consistently, top for chapters, side for themes, bottom for quick notes, because consistent placement creates muscle memory and speeds navigation. When applying, press the base firmly and smooth toward the free end to prevent lifting. If a tab starts to peel, make a second light press or replace it. Consistency in placement is what makes. To finish, arrange tabs into a readable order that matches your index or outline. Stack similar colors together so scanning is immediate. Once done, review the set weekly and remove or relabel tabs when content or priority changes. This prevents clutter and keeps the system accurate. If a tab peels or loses stick, clean the paper edge lightly and replace with a fresh tab, avoiding tape that adds bulk. This final maintenance keeps your notes usable and fast to reference.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.